Is your iPhone still too bright at night, even when you set it to the lowest brightness? This video will fix that issue, so make sure you watch it until the very end. So I'm going to show you how you can enable ultra dark mode on your iPhone by tweaking a couple of settings, and this will make your phone even darker than Apple's normal dark mode. First of all, we'll have to enable dark mode on our iPhone because we want the theme of our system to be all black. And after this, we'll do 3 more things which will turn our phone ultra dark. So I'm going to open my control center, then long press on the brightness slider, and then tap the dark mode option. But let's make it even darker than this. And the first thing which I'll do is to long press anywhere on my home screen and then tap on Edit at the top left. Now Customize. This will open our customization menu where we want to select either the dark option, or if you want to make the icons black and white, just select Clear and then tap on Dark at the bottom. So these two options will make our app icons black, they will get darker, and they'll be easier for your eyes at night. So select either the regular dark mode icons or select the clear ones with the dark mode enabled, and that will turn them black and white, and they'll have this cool minimalistic look. So there are 2 more things which I'll do. And since our home screen now has these cool dark icons, I will also add a wallpaper that will match this ultra dark style. So you can find a lot of high quality wallpapers on Google or the internet. Just make sure you download the photo to your photo gallery, just like I have here. And then let's set this cool wallpaper, which I have as our background for both the lock screen as well as the home screen. So I will tap on the share icon that's located at the bottom left corner of my screen, which will then open this share sheet for me. Here is the Use as Wallpaper button, which is just what we need. When I tap on it, it's going to give me a preview on how that wallpaper is going to look like, and you can zoom in or zoom out, add a depth effect to it if you want to, and so on. Let's click on Add, then Customize Home Screen, because the iPhone automatically adds this blur over my wallpaper, but I don't want that. So let's turn it off. And then I've added a dark wallpaper as my background. I've changed the app icon theme to this cool black and white color. I've enabled the regular dark mode on my iPhone. But let's see the most important step in this whole process, which will make your dark mode even darker. Navigate over to your settings page, then find and open this accessibility section, display and text size. And this section will contain a setting that's called Reduce White Point. And let's enable this. This is the setting that will make the biggest difference. What this does is it makes all the white and bright colors on your iPhone way less bright and way easier on your eyes. So when you turn it on, you're going to see this slider at the bottom, and you can move it anywhere from 0% all the way to 100%. The higher you slide it, the darker everything becomes. So if you move it to 25%, it's going to be a little bit darker. But if you slide it all the way to 75% or even 100%, your screen is going to get super dark. This is different from your regular brightness because it only makes the white colors darker. So even if your brightness is high, this will still make those bright white backgrounds look gray and dim. And now my iPhone is in ultra dark mode, which is perfect for nighttime use. When you combine this with the dark mode, the dark wallpaper, and the dark app icons we set up earlier, your iPhone becomes way darker than the regular dark mode that Apple gives you. So tell me in the comments if these steps made your iPhone ultra dark, and if the video was helpful, make sure you leave a like on it, and I'll see you soon.